Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into a devil/demon look. We're going to go full red, we're going to go all out with this one, and I'm super excited. I'm going to be creating my demon look with some horns that I have pre-made myself, and I will also be creating another video showing how to make these horns. They're super lightweight and they're just made out of children's modelling clay. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any other Halloween ideas, please leave them in the comments down below. So, I'm going to be sticking 3 horns on either side. I want 6 horns in total because I think it looks cool. If you can stick on 1 horn, you can stick on 6. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out whereabouts I want the horns to be on my forehead. I like to stick them on beforehand. And then I've also created some smaller ones to sit beside it. So I'm just going to fiddle around with those until I get the shapes that I want. Okay, and then any hair that's here, which we want to protect, we can just use a washable glue stick and glue it down. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to wipe off all the makeup that we have here, and then we're going to apply Prozade all in this area and on the other side of this too. Squeaky clean. Prozade is a contact glue, so you need to add it on both for it to stick. We know when it's ready because it'll go clear. Okay, on its own, it doesn't look convincing because it literally looks like I just stuck something to my forehead, which is in fact what I did. So we're going to make it look like they're protruding out of some skin using some cotton and some liquid latex. When doing this, you essentially want to saturate small pieces of cotton with liquid latex and wrap it around the edges, but we're going to slightly taper the edge so this part looks like it kind of is coming through the skin and it protrudes up. And one of the things that I like to use is either my palette knife or the end of these tweezers like this, and I just like to dig around up here and flatten at the bottom.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's dry now. I'm gonna paint everything red, just red. Everything red, except maybe here, but everything red, okay? Good news, we're red. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a yellow body paint, and I'm going to go in with a dry brush as well. And we're going to start highlighting. If you ever want to highlight red, and you want it to look red, not pink, you want to go in with yellow. I'm going to take some red, and I'm going to blend that back out. Okay, great. So now I'm going to go in with a burgundy, and I'm going to start contouring around the face. Okay, so I've gone in with the burgundy, and now I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to deepen up the contours of everywhere else that I've gone, but I'm not going to go down as far. We're going to keep it a little bit more precise. And then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. I'm going to create a shape around the eye that kind of does this, and we're going to sweep it slightly underneath the eye as well. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the horns yellow, and then we're going to shade them with a lot of eyeshadow. So essentially what I'm doing here is I'm taking the yellow, I'm going in with the red, and I'm finally going in with the black, pushing it further down at the bottom because this makes it seem like the horn is deeper in there than it is because I'm adding in depth through the shading. So I'm just going through, and then feel free to bring really lightly some of this back up as well because it will make the horn seem a lot more grungy, a lot dirtier. This isn't a demon that's fresh. So we want to add this and bring it all the way up, and you want to kind of get it in the grooves there because this can all be sorted out after a while. So I'm just pushing in a black body paint into all of the edges. Okay, I'm going to go in with my yellow body paint again, and I'm just going to touch up the edges here, and then I'm just going to glide my fingers along the edge just to make it a bit messier but to blend it out slowly. And the reason why is because this will make it seem like this is protruding more from the skin. So again, I want to highlight it, but I don't want to highlight it with white because that will make it look like pinkish, and it's not really the color scheme that we're going for. So the important thing here is to highlight it with yellow. If you're ever like, oh, oh, I want to go back. You can always just take a little bit of the red and you want to stipple around the edges here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add on a black lipstick. I'm going to put on my black scleras and some eyelashes. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is now I have the lashes and the lenses in. I can see that I want to bring down the eyeshadow a little bit more because it will just bring it together a bit more, balance it out, and I can see it. So a tiny thing that I really want to add, because I think it'll be cute, is a very small upside down cross on the side here as if it was a tattoo. I'm finally going to go in with a gold highlighter. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. Like I've said, if you can master sticking on one horn, you can master sticking on 6. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below with any more ideas that you might have or anything else that you want to know about the video today. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find me on other platforms as well at mcross07. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter and Twitch. And on Twitch I go live, so if you ever want to see me do any live makeup, and I do live demos there, you can find me on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7 PM BST, and I do the full body paints on Saturdays at 1 PM BST as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you again soon, and I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!